Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone runs Android 9 or later and that you have an internet connection, because Private DNS requires system support. Next, locate the Network and Internet section in Settings. Once there, tap Advanced to reveal Private DNS. You do this first to avoid wasted steps setting apps or toggles that won't apply. Make sure you've copied the exact DNS hostname you intend to use. Once ready, tap Private DNS to choose the hostname option and prepare to enter it. You now select the Private DNS provider hostname option and carefully type the fully qualified domain name. Do not include protocol prefixes like HTTPS or slashes. This is critical because Android validates the TLS certificate against that hostname. Once entered, tap Save and allow the system a few seconds to validate the configuration. You'll see a success message or an error. If successful, traffic to DNS will use encrypted TLS, improving privacy and reducing spoofing risks. If it fails, recheck spelling and certificate compatibility. You finish by verifying the change. Use a DNS leak test site or network inspector to confirm queries go to the selected provider. If you encounter an error, reboot the device first and re-enter the hostname, because cached network states often block validation. If that fails, try an alternative provider hostname that supports DNS over TLS. Make sure to reset Private DNS to automatic to restore default behavior if anything breaks. One key tip: certificate mismatch is the most common issue, so double-check provider TLS support and hostname access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.